Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create a Discord account. So first you need to launch your Discord application. As you can see, you have two options. Click register. So here you can register through phone number or email. So it's up to you. Now I'm going to choose email address. So once done, all you have to do is to tap next and then pick a username. Make sure that it's unique. So I'm going to choose Shadow10. And then for password, make sure that it's a strong one or a unique password. And then after that, click next. Okay, of course, they need your birthday. So you need to provide your date of birth. Okay, for me, January 1st, 1989. Okay, so never ever fake your birthday. Click confirm and then tap create an account. And then after that, yeah, that's it. Everything is okay now. You can start using your Discord, but before that, you need to verify also that you're 100% human. Please click each image containing a trumpet. So all you have to do is to click trumpet icons, images, and then once done, click verify, and that's it. You can create an account on Discord. So before you start, you need to choose profile picture. Just tap any here and then click next. Actually, you can skip that also. Okay, and then click next. Now you can tap any of this or you can just simply X. And then here it is. Now you have your Discord account. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.